Jade.
I'm Jason.
We're here today to
Have a hair transplant.
and we're very excited.
Hello. How are you? Hello. After operation, you cannot wear hat or helmet 15 days.
15 days.
Did you lose your hairs before her or after?
After her.
After her. I know.
So I can blame her? Or...
Unfair. We've been together for 12 years almost. So.
Raise your eyebrows. Can you see these muscles?
Yes.
You cannot draw lower than this. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Genç from Smile Clinic. We have a sweet couple today at our clinic. They are from Australia. We did Jason's consultation. His nervous scale is Norwood 4. At first we will harvest maximum grafts, we will cover his front area and crown area, and then we will cover empty areas at his middle. Did you like consultation?
Yeah.
Plan is good?
Well. Yeah, perfect.
Your idea is more important than Yeah.
Only my opinion though.
Yeah. So we can start the operation.
How's that? Ooh.
I've always wanted to do this.
There we go.
What are your zodiac signs?
I'm Taurus.
I'm Scorpio.
Oh, Scorpio woman.
How does it look? It looks great. Have you seen Stranger Things?
Yes.
You know, 11?
11.
Yeah.
That's a girl.
I know.
Can you look at the camera?
That's what you remind me of.
You see the resemblance?
Let's do this.
We finished Jason's operation. We harvested 4,250 grafts. As we talked before the operation, we covered his front area and crown very high density. Operation was perfect. There wasn't any problem. Did you have any problem?
No, all good.
Okay. Now we will do his last checking and then we will discharge him.
How are you feeling? How was your operation?
Good. Yeah, happy it's done. Everything went well, so yeah, happy to see how it looks in a few months' time. Hey guys, second day here. A little bit uncomfortable last night, but not too bad. About to watch a presentation and then change bandages. See how we go.
Hi guys, we're at the end of our journey. So Jason has gotten his medical dressing and aftercare presentation, and now we are on our way back home. So we are very exciting, and thanks for coming along and watching our journey.
Bye.
Bye.